Hi guys, I'm Silverwolf, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to clean the battery contacts of your Furby. I've had quite a few people come to me and say, well, the batteries exploded, they've leaked, or whatever, and the contacts of the Furby are a bit dirty, and obviously it won't work unless you clean them. So basically this is how I clean the contacts myself. So you take out the batteries. I'm just going to take one out because this one's, well, obviously this Furby, there's nothing wrong with it, but I'm just going through the motions. So you take out the batteries carefully. Wash your hands as well, because the stuff that comes off batteries, I think it's toxic, so you don't really want to be sort of getting that anywhere else. Once you've done all that, get a Q-tip or cotton bud, depending on where you live in the world, whatever they're called. One of these anyway for cleaning your ears. And moisten it slightly in water. Just a tiny little bit of water, that's all you need. And just stroke it over the contacts like this. You may not even need water, you can try it without. And just clean it off like that. Once it gets fairly dirty, use another one. And just do it again. And you should be able to get most of the crap off the contacts. Pardon my French, by the way, I didn't mean to say that word, but you know what I mean. I've seen characters. I was actually watching a kid's film recently, and one of the characters in that said crap, so I guess it's okay to say. I was quite surprised. I can't remember what film it was now. It might have been Soul. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So that's basically what you do, and you can also give the whole compartment a wipe round as well with the Q-tip, and you just do it for whichever one is having the issue. And then when you put the battery back in, hopefully it'll work. Now, it doesn't work every time. Sometimes the contacts are too corroded or too damaged, and so they have more of an issue, but it should work most of the time. And then of course you can do it for these ones in here as well, and make sure they're all nice and clean. To prevent further corrosion, there's no easy way to do it. I think years ago my dad said to just put a tiny bit of Vaseline on it, but I'm not sure if that works. So just work on cleaning it off and making sure that all of that corrosion is gone, because the longer it stays on it, the more it'll eat into the metal of the battery contacts, and the more issues you'll have later on. If you're not going to play with your Furby or have him switched on for a long period of time, take the batteries out. Don't keep electronic items like this with the batteries in, just in case they leak. Modern batteries don't tend to explode or leak as much as the older ones, because the quality of the materials they use in them obviously now is better. But all the same, if you're not going to use it for a while, don't leave the batteries in it. It's better to be safe than sorry. So that's pretty much it. That's how you clean the battery contacts on your Furby. And hopefully this works for some of you. Anyway, if you want to see more Furby videos, feel free to click the links that are coming up below. As always, check out my Etsy store if you want to support me, or buy me a coffee on Ko-fi. It all helps. And that's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf signing off.